Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my page. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine. So here I have my cacao butter, olive oil and glycerin. So here I have my pound butter. So I'm going to be making my own DIY hair butter today to seal in moisture for my hair. So this is how I just make my butter by myself. I melt it on hot water. That melting is how it's looking like now. So I'm going to put it back in the fridge again so that it will get solid a little bit, not too solid, as you can see how it's looking right now. So guys, pardon my voice, I have cough, so it will be disturbing me. So you can use your hand mixer, whatever they call it, to mix this together. So it's because the bowl that I'm using is too small and the product also is small, so I decided to use my fork to just mix it like this, and it's still going to give me what I'm looking for. Okay, if you want it to be more fluffy, the consistency to be more fluffy, use a bigger bowl and use your hand mixer to mix it, and everything will just be fluffy and you get that consistency. So I still get the consistency that I'm looking for. So now the product is ready, as you can see. So I'm just going to start using it on my hair. I just wash my hair. The video of how I prepare my hair with my DIY product is already on my page, and it's already on my channel as well. So in case you have not seen it, just go now, click on it and watch it so that you will know what I use. Okay, so now it's time for me to moisturize, seal, and put my hair on a protective style for the rest of the week. Okay, so I'm just going to pat my hair. There's still water on my hair, that's why I'm not using water. So I'm using this Africa best olive oil moisturizing lotion. This product is super duper moisturizing, so I'm just trying to be generous with the product because I'm going to be adding it to a lot of hair that I part. As you can see, the hair that I part is a lot. Oh, that's why I am using a lot of product as well. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my new video. I really do appreciate you all. And if you are just here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, follow my page, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So if you are watching from Facebook, TikTok, please don't forget to follow my page. Okay, follow my page. Okay, thank you, god bless. So now I apply the lotion, then I'll apply the butter on top to seal in moisture. So now this is how my hair is looking. I'm just going to detangle my hair, then put my hair in a braid. Okay, I'm also going to add to the tip of my hair. Please guys, pardon my voice, I'm so sorry. This cough is dealing with me. So after that, I'm going to detangle my hair using my white tooth comb. You can use any comb of your choice. Okay, just but the most important thing is that after applying all these products, you use your comb to distribute the product and also detangle your hair at the same time. So now I'm just going to also put my hair in braid. You can put your hair in a combo, in twist, anyhow you want it. Okay, so this is a simple way I normally moisturize my hair after wash day. It's so simple, and this can stay for a week, okay, before I will moisturize again to avoid breakage and split end or dry hair, any one of those. Okay, yeah, this is so simple to do, and the product that I use also, the DIY butter, is also very simple to make by yourself at home. You don't need to go and be buying hair butter. You can easily make yours. If you want to add shea butter, you can add it, cocoa butter, mango butter, avocado butter, palm butter. Guys, there is a lot of butter in the market that you can just mix everything together and you have your hair moisturizing butter. Okay, so I'm almost done with the hair. This is the other side of the hair. I've already applied the product. I'm just showing you guys how we are doing it here. So somebody said I should show my hair on Facebook. Here is my hair. This video was filmed yesterday, Sunday, which is yesterday was 28th, and I am editing it today, which is 26th on Monday. So I don't know when I'll be posting it, because yeah, so this is the final look of my hair. I am done applying the product. As you can see, my twin is there laughing at me, saying, "Mama, what kind of hairstyle is this?" So I love my hairstyle. Thank you guys. The most important is that my hair is protected now. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and I really do appreciate you all. Bye, stay safe.